Hello students, welcome to Sumaya English Primary School, class 6th, and the subject is English and the chapter is 2.7 and the name of the chapter is Yonamine and Bushi. Now we will see the story related to one girl whose name was Yonamine Chiru. She was very good and famous girl in Yokinova. It is the place where she lived. She was very intelligent, smart, tall, strong, beautiful, and one more important thing was she was very well trained in karate, that no one can beat her. Now the time came about her marriage. Her father was a very rich merchant, and now he was worrying about her marriage because he loves her daughter very much and wanted her to be happy. And Yonamine was also very beautiful. She was waiting that type of young man who come forward to marry her, and he should be stronger than her, because Yonamine was having her own ideas about the marriage. She told to her father that she will marry a man who can beat her in a fair fight. She was so beautiful, so many young men came forward to pick up the challenge and to fight with her. In that, many wrestlers were also there to beat the challenge. Now, one who came forward to ask for her hand, whose name was Kojo. But really, he was bigger and stronger than Yonamine. Kojo was very tall, well built, and his hands and legs were very strong. But in the game, Kojo played fall. Fall word means you are cheating. Then also Yonamine was giving a sign of respect. He was doing a cheating, then also Yonamine was giving the respect. When Kojo was trying to throw a punch at her by breaking the rules of the game, at that time Yonamine was getting angry. Then she held his arm and twisted so powerfully, then unsupportive Kojo fell down and she defeated him. In this way, Yonamine defeated many wrestlers. By seeing all this, Yonamine's father was in upset. All these young men wanted to marry that type of girls who can cook, wash and make tea for their husbands. But who will marry this beautiful girl who enjoy the wrestling? Now a young man, now the next one more young man was there in the story, whose name was Bushi Kyo. He was also very trained under karate master whose name was Sakugwa. He was so expert and he was the personal guard of the king Yokinova, whose name was Shoko. Bushi's friends told him about the challenge and about the Yonamine. She was very beautiful. They were insisting, the Bushi's friends were insisting the Bushi to take the challenge because he was big, stronger and smart than the Yonamine. Bushi was also interested to marry a girl like a Yonamine. Now Bushi decided to fight with her and win the challenge. By seeing another challenger, Yonamine was excited and impressed. She heard about the Bushi, that He was a personal guard of King Shokos. Bushi was tall and slim, and he stood on his feet that no one can shake him. Now the wrestling match started. They started attacking each other. They were doing best with their techniques. Now this match was looking like a tie because no one was losing and no one was winning. For a while in the fight, Yonamine took pause. At that time, Bushi took the advantage of the moment and with the swift punch, Bushi brought her down. So, according to the challenge, now the Bushi and Yonamine got married and his father was feeling very happy. So now it was a happy marriage. She was very kind and loving. She used to cook and keep the house clean. One day, which was cleaning the kitchen, her husband Bushi saw her that she was lifting a huge bag of rice with her left hand and then cleans the floor with the right hand. So Bushi was thinking that really she is so strong, and but he brought her down with one punch. So one day Yonamine told to Bushi, that means her husband, that she wants to meet her parents. So she told to her husband that I will leave in the evening and next day by the time of dinner I will be back. But her husband told, don't travel during the night time because it is not safe for the woman go alone after the dark. But Yonamine told to her husband that you are forgetting that you have married a wrestler, and don't forget that I have threw you down on the ground, and you don't worry, I will take care of myself. But her husband was thinking that Yonamine is overconfident, so I should taught a lesson for her own good. So now on that evening, Yonamine on the way to her father's house. So on the way, Bushi was disguised himself as a Pandit. Pandit means who was the people who used to teach the people at the dark night. He was wearing a shabby clothes and dark colors over his hands, and he was covering his face with a scarf. But he was hiding behind the trees on the road. When the darkness fell and he saw Yonamine was turning left to reach her father's house. But when she was crossing, Bushi jumped from behind the trees and trying to attack her. When Bushi attacked her, she also reacted very fast and attacked by her hand and kicked with force and threw him on the ground. Then afterwards she dragged him and tied him to a tree. Then afterwards she went to her father's home. When next day she was returning from her father's house, it was afternoon. She saw that Pandit was still tied to the tree. She asked him, shall I untie you or leave you here only? But the Pandit told, please forgive me and untie me. Yonamine then untied him and left from there quickly because she was in very hurry, because she had to reach home before the evening meal to cook food for her husband. So that evening Yonamine's dinner was ready, and after some time Bushi came with very tired. After helping him for the fresh, she told Bushi to have a hot meal. When Bushi sat for the dinner, he gave a white sash from his pocket to Yonamine. Then she realized that the Bandit was his husband Bushi. So she was feeling sorry for him and told that she has mistaken. Then the Bushi told, "No, don't say sorry, because you taught me a lesson that we should not underestimate anybody, and especially the woman." Then afterwards, both were laughing loudly with each other. So, this was the story of Yonamine and Bushi. Thank you.